Entry doors installation in Salt Lake City is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors Salt Lake City, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Whether you need energy-efficient doors or robust storm doors, we have the perfect solution for your entryway needs. For those seeking front door replacement in Salt Lake City, our services offer a wide range of door style options to suit any architectural design. From fiberglass entry doors to steel entry doors, we provide a variety of materials that offer both aesthetic appeal and functional benefits. Our custom entry doors in Utah are designed to meet your specific requirements, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Energy-efficient doors in Salt Lake City are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. Our selection of energy-efficient doors includes options that provide superior insulation and weatherproofing, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Door weatherproofing in Utah is essential for protecting your home from the elements, and our doors are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions. Door replacement services in Salt Lake City are available for both residential and commercial entry doors. Our skilled technicians can handle door frame replacement, door hardware installation, and door security upgrades to ensure your doors function smoothly and securely. We also offer door maintenance services in Salt Lake City to keep your doors in optimal condition year-round. For those interested in door customization in Salt Lake City, we provide a range of entry door accessories and door design consultation services. Our team can help you select the perfect door style options in Utah to complement your home's exterior. Whether you prefer wooden entry doors Salt Lake City or modern steel designs, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Door painting services in Salt Lake City are an excellent way to refresh the appearance of your entry doors. Our professional painters use high-quality paints and finishes to ensure a long-lasting and vibrant look. Door refinishing in Utah is also available for those who want to restore the natural beauty of their wooden entry doors. Door sealing in Utah is a critical component of maintaining energy efficiency and preventing drafts. Our door insulation services in Salt Lake City ensure that your doors are properly sealed, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. We also offer door installation warranty in Salt Lake City to provide peace of mind and protect your investment. Commercial entry doors Salt Lake City require specialized attention to meet the demands of high-traffic environments. Our team is experienced in installing and maintaining commercial doors that offer durability, security, and aesthetic appeal. From door hardware installation in Salt Lake City to door frame replacement in Utah, we provide comprehensive services for businesses of all sizes. Storm doors in Salt Lake City offer an additional layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. Our selection of storm doors is designed to provide maximum security and energy efficiency, making them an ideal choice for Utah's diverse climate. Whether you need a new installation or door replacement services in Salt Lake City, our team is here to provide all you need.